Hey guys, today let's check out another beautiful book by Amma Chitrakatha. This is a 5-in-1 compilation book. It is a hardcover book. The book is The Kuru Clan, which contains stories from Mahabharata. This compilation book has 5 stories in it. The stories are Gandhari, Tales of Yudhishthira, Draupadi, Jayadratha and Parikshit. This book costs around 250 rupees. This is the front cover from the story Gandhari. All the stories inside the books are available as a single story in a paperback format for around 90 rupees. But people who love Amma Chitrakatha and want to collect them, this is a better book since it is a compilation book and also hardcover. Here on back they have given other 5-in-1 hardcover books and also 3-in-1 books which are paperback also available. Beautiful introduction to the back here. So let's check the 5 stories given in this book. This is from Epics and Mythology category of Amma Chitrakatha. The first story is about Gandhari. There's an introduction here. So the story covers about Gandhari, about her marriage, how she blindfolds after her husband because he's blind and gives birth to the 101 Kauravas and the battle with Pandavas, and at the end she curses Krishna and gives the final rites for her sons. So until that, the story beautifully explained. And after each story there's a advertisement of other books available. The next story is the Tales of Yudhishthira, Justice for the Pandava. So here this is about Yudhishthira and many of his adventures, his knowledge, his sacrifices and all. Here this is one story, the test in Yaksha's lake, that and the last companion building the Indraprastha, their palace. And one more story, the final test after he dies and reaches heaven. So these are the stories this book this chapter contains. And here are some other special issues. I've shown some of these special issues in my channel. You can check it out. The next story is about Draupadi, the dusky firebrand. A beautiful glossy sheets, all the first pages, just like the paperback book from Amma Chitrakatha. As I said, all these books are available in paperback separately, which costs around 90 rupees, and each books are around 30 pages. So this is the story of Draupadi, how she is responsible for the war in Kurukshetra, the complete story. And the next is Jayadratha, retold from the Mahabharata. Another beautiful glossy sheet here. So Jayadratha was the wife of Subala, I think, who's the only girl in the 101 Kauravas. So she is Kaurava's sister. So that makes him brother-in-law of Duryodhana and other Kauravas. And he's a vile character. And Arjuna had oath that he will kill him before sunset. And how in the war he succeeds with the help of Krishna has been explained in this story here. So that is the story of Jayadratha. Here other fine one books advertised. The last story is about Parikshit, son of Abhimanyu. So is the last survivor, the only survivor from the war, who inherits the throne from his grandfather Arjuna. But this story covers his death by the serpent king Takshaka, and his son Janamejaya avenges his father's death. So that's what has been covered in this story. All are very beautiful stories from Mahabharata. So this is the fine one, the Kuru clan. Please subscribe to my channel for more such amazing books. See you next time.